Today we'll be doing the Swedish meatballs. Welcome everyone, I'm Dimags and you're watching Simplehan Lang, which helps you build your cooking ideas more interesting, fun, and easier. Alright, bago ko po simulan ang video na ito, I would like to say hi to Miss Kath, a very good friend of my cousin Milot. Hello to you. Maraming salamat sa pagsubaybay sa aking channel. Sana po manatili kayong subscriber ko for a long time. Alright, let's do it. I started boiling potatoes because it will take for about 30 to 35 minutes so that I can start preparing my meatballs. I used 50-50 ratio sa minced pork and beef po natin. As we all know, pork has more fats than beef because if you use 100% beef, it will be very lean and dry tasting meatballs. We'll be needing some breadcrumbs, then we'll add some egg, cream, mustard of your choice. We need to add some allspice, of course, salt and pepper. Mix it up all together and let it rest for a couple of minutes. Now after 2 minutes of resting, let's start making our meatballs. Make sure to incorporate all the ingredients with our mixed pork and beef para lumasa siya evenly sa meatballs na ginagawa natin. Now after preparing the meatballs, we're gonna put it inside the fridge for about 2 hours. Now that the meatballs are in the fridge, we'll proceed on making mashed potatoes. Before we continue, please be reminded that it is not advisable for you to use food processor para sa mashed potato natin. Some are putting it in a low heat pan para mag-melt yung butter together with the milk, and they do simmer it separately and then imimix na lang nila later on. Pero para sa akin, since mainit yung potato natin, isasabay ko na doon yung butter at yung milk. Saka ko lang siya haluin ng haluin. At kung meron man tayong gustong idagdag na iba, like yung dill, rosemary, or garlic, whatever it is, pwede nyo nang ihalo dun. Kung may baking powder kayo, idagdag nyo po para maging fluffy ng konti yung mashed potato natin. I'll be completely honest with you, until now, confused pa rin po ako kung ano talaga sa Tagalog ang meatballs. Kahit yung squid balls, hindi ko alam sa Tagalog yan. Some people are telling me that daw po ng pusit yan. But, tawa lang ako. Well, anyways, let's dive into the video. Regarding the mashed potato, I will do another video for that para mai-elaborate ko or to give you more view on how to make it properly. Kasi as I've mentioned earlier, nagmamadali nga tayo dahil masyadong mahaba ang video. We're a little halfway over, and if you find value in this video, please give us a thumbs up and also do comments below kung ano sa tingin nyo ang mas masarap na jam para dito. May it be cranberry, raspberry, strawberry, whatever it is, please do share with us. See ya! There you go mga kasimplehan, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat ng umabot hanggang dito sa dulo ng aking video na pinamagatang Swedish Meatballs. Ito po siya, sana nakikita nyo po. Yun. Kita nyo po ba? Yan. Naisipan ko lang gawin to, hindi dahil sa may nag-request, pero dahil sa masarap siya nung nagpunta kami kailan lang sa isang malaking tindahan. Hindi ko masabi yung pangalan. Well anyway, nagpunta kami sa isang sikat na furniture house. Masarap siya, nagustuhan ko siya kasi eksakto yung lasa niya. The first time na natikmang ko tong Swedish meatball sa isa kaibigan ko sa Wahin na Swedish, inihanda niya to. And then nagustuhan ko na. From that moment, I fell in love with this dish. I've tried my very best para pagkasyahin siya. The most short or the shortest video na magagawa ko para dito dahil unang-una gagawa ka dito ng mashed potato, tapos yung broccoli niya, yung meatballs, and then gagawa ka pa ng gravy. So may video naman ako, may previous video, I think it's spaghetti and chicken joy, gumawa ako ng udon, so may instruction doon. I'll put the link below para makita nyo rin. Sa mashed potato, in the future, I'll try my very best para makagawa ng much clearer na mashed potato how I do it. Well anyway, in YouTube, you'll be able to find a lot of decent videos regarding mashed potato. Sandali lang po in the future, gagawa na lang ako ng instructional video. ng video para dyan sa mashed potato natin, kung paano ko siya ginawa. Kasi medyo masailan din ako sa mashed potato. Gusto ko in between lang siya ng puree at saka ng mashed potato. Tikman na muna natin bago kasi dakdak ako ng dakdak eh. Wala naman akong babatiin ngayon, mga nabati ko na lang. Yung ibang questions, then we'll try to have it accommodated. So tikman muna natin. Gusto ko itong lingonberry. Sa atin wala tayong lingonberry eh. So lingonberry jam to. Gusto ko lasa nito. Dahil masarap siya. So, yung cameraman ko. Ako muna titikin kasi ako nagluto eh. Sandali Mashed potato. Ang sarap. Sobra sarap. Gusto ko siya. Sarap. Yung gravy, eksakto. Tapos, meron ka lingonberry jam. But anyway, pwede nyo naman kayong gumamit ng cranberry jam, strawberry. Kaya lang medyo mas maasim kasi yun eh. Pero yung lingonberry kasi mas gusto ko kaysa dun sa mga yun. Kaya yun ang since may nabibili naman dito. So yun. Masarap niya. Alright, there you go mga kasimplehan ng ating Swedish meatballs. And for those of you who doesn't know me yet, my name is Dimags and I do create videos for food, fun, and music. At muli, ito si Dimags na nagsasabing mas mabango, mas masarap kainin. See ya!